This is Alexandr.ia, an AI-powered learning and teaching toolbox. Alexandr.ia helps you kickstart your work without giving full solutions, preserving the learning experience. Its advanced debate engine helps students and lecturers alike to power their learning paths with AI-powered reasoning and deep learning. Alex can read, modify and understand any kind of file, providing immediate feedback, support and tutoring based on any given file and context. Alexandr.ia offers many tools to students through its integration with all major LMS, including Moodle, Canva or Blackboard. Alex can help students get summaries of all materials from a selected subject or module. It also helps them study, prepare and understand all topics needed for any test or exam through interactive experiences designed for focus, debate, reasoning and critical thinking. Additionally, Alexandr.ia acts as a 24-hour, 365-day-a-year support, even guiding students during their assignments, providing constructive feedback rooted in academic tutoring and leading teaching practices. Lecturers, too, can benefit from integrating IA into their daily workflows. With Alex, lecturers can design and prepare tests, quizzes, exams, and classroom activities with an integration to 15 million peer-reviewed academic sources. Alex helps lecturers detect AI content, compliance issues, and even plagiarism easily. It is also able to detect fake citations, a well-known problem for AI-generated content. Lecturers can also create their own agents, train them, add their own context, and make sure students can benefit from their own expertise through IA at any given time.